Hey everybody, this is Hal. Welcome to Travel Know How. Well, I'm heading to the shops and I see it snowing, so I figured, okay, just gonna film a little bit of snow and do a bit of shopping, wait till it's over. And 40 minutes later, I head out the store and boy, snow is coming down heavy and crazy. I didn't expect this to happen at all. I thought being around 5 degrees it was just going to be a short little bit of snow and it will just clear up like the rest of the day, but this is a fast and heavy snowstorm and I've got to get home. I have to admit my fingers are feeling quite frozen right now and it's not easy holding the camera while I'm walking, but I'll do my best to keep it up and show you what it looks like around the place. I think it's around 4 o'clock and the weather's gone absolutely dreadful. The snow getting really thick, absolutely freezing and crazy, but here I am. This is life. I'm so shocked and surprised at how fast the snow can just build up over 40 minutes, and just looking around, it's crazy. Like there was nothing. They were all barren twigs, barren ground, and now look at it, snow everywhere. Alright people, I want to show you how light and powdery the snow is when it's fresh and fallen, so I'm just going to scoop my hand up and literally it just falls so light and gently because it is so soft.